3, 2, 1.
Still, or again, with just the yellow band. This time we are the anchor. In other words, it's going under our feet. And we're not using any kind of handles. So, the feet nearly together. And make sure that it's safely secure underneath your feet before attempting drive any heavy artillery. And so the desired effect is a twist dumbbell curl with both hands simultaneously. So how you can do that with the resistance band. So say our stretch position would be somewhere around knee height, and putting your hands on the inside, grab a firm hold of that, and now we've got pretty much free range of this, and you see that this piece doesn't really add or take away from the resistance is all here. So as we come up, we twist our palms inwards and upwards, and as we come down, we revert back to this position. So nice. I've started to do a lot more of these stretched out type exercises because previously I was just doing everything double, 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 double. Sometimes it gets a little bit wearing down on your joints. So now I'm preferring just to keep a longer, more consistent stretch in the area that I'm trying to work for certain exercises, as opposed to having doubled length pulling me down into the ground, pulling my shoulders down against the force of resistance. Now I get to focus on working the muscle and trying to keep my body aligned. One more. Bananas. Two more. So we've done 15 times 2 so far. See what we're still capable of. we got any power left in our arms. We pre-exhausted the biceps from doing the close grip pull downs right before this as well. Which I kind of like pre-exhausting myself, because then you get to really dig deep down into the tissue. While at the same time, you never really need to worry about I need to add more weight or all that sort of thing like that, because you're constantly working in a state of pre-exhaustion. Even a little bit of work is a lot of work. Three sets of 15. Last one. Think about rain. Get a better grip. Okay. No, not two. So now, last bit is finish off with legs.